Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel. Where today guys, I'll be showing you how to manage store inventory on Wix. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to Google and type in wix.com. After that, you just need to go and log into your profile or register to Wix if you haven't already done that, of course. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and manage store inventory on Wix. But first, let's check what we actually have in front of us. In the top left corner, we have your sites where you can check out all of your websites. You have the setup, home, you have the settings, in the bottom left corner, the design site, and the dashboard where we are at the moment. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and manage store inventory on Wix. So to manage your inventory in Wix stores, you can track inventory or manually assign products as in stock or out of stock status. To track inventory, go to store products in your site's dashboard, select the relevant product, scroll down to the inventory and shopping section and click track inventory toggle to enable it. You can also use the Wix store app to add and manage products right from your Wix dashboard. Other options include using a third-party app from the Wix app market or an Excel spreadsheet to track inventory levels manually. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it would be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, as I told you, I hope that you enjoyed the video, and guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next video on this YouTube channel. Until then, as always, bye guys.